Okay, so now I'm going to actually start talking about the gadgets, which of course is the whole reason that you want to use iGoogle is so you can put all these gadgets and have this customized homepage. So we've got some just to start out with, and as you can see I was just doing, you can actually just drag and drop to rearrange your gadgets. So always keep that in mind as you're adding them. You can move them to however you want. And to get to the gadgets, you just want to go to this Add Stuff link right here. And this is remember we were looking at themes earlier in the Themes tab. Now on the Gadgets tab, this is where you can add your gadgets. And we've got a couple of options. First off, there's the hottest, what's the hottest right now. You can sort by most users and by newest. There's also, you can narrow it down by category. I'll go through all these and show you some of the gadgets that are available in these categories later. But we've got news, tools, communication, fun and games, finance, sports, lifestyle, technology, politics, and then you can also add a feed for a gadget. Your search results are right here, and you can search for gadgets and even create your own little gadget. And then there's some links for developers or feed owners to learn more about iGoogle. So it's important to kind of note that gadgets can be made by anyone. So maybe some aren't going to work as well as others. Of course, if it says by Google, then that means it's a gadget that Google made, and you're pretty much guaranteed that one's going to work really well. But other gadgets, even like a big thing like Wikipedia, this is made by, I'm not really sure, so just kind of keep that in mind. If it says by Google, it's going to be a really good gadget. But, I mean, that's not saying, I think all the gadgets out there are going to work. It's just maybe, just kind of to keep that in mind, that they're not all coming from Google. They're coming from all different places. So that's just a quick look at the gadgets, and I'll be going into detail about all these gadgets in the following clips.